Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add canvas in CapCut PC. So a canvas is a background for your photos or videos, and here's how you can add one. In here, I have this image added into CapCut PC, and to add canvas, you need to first turn on the canvas. So go to basic under the video in here and just scroll down until you find canvas. So you need to make sure that it's blue like this. So change from none into the mode that you want. For example, I'm going to just add a canvas, blur canvas into this image. So click on blur, and after that scroll down again and select the blur intensity. For example, I'm going to just use the second one, and in here I'm going to change the ratio first into, for example, a square ratio. Click on this 1:1 ratio, and you can see now the canvas is added. This is the blur canvas that I chose before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.